Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about Google Cloud Data Prep contribute to the data preparation and cleaning process in analytic workflows. So Google Cloud Data Prep is a cloud-based data preparation and cleaning tool that plays a significant role in the analytic workflow. It simplifies and accelerates the process of cleaning, enriching, and transforming raw data into format suitable for analysis. Here's how Google Cloud Data Prep contributes to the data preparation and cleaning process in analytic workflows. Number one, intuitive, intuitive data cleaning interface. Google Cloud Data Prep provides a visual and user-friendly interface for data cleaning. Users include those without extensive coding skills and can interact with the data visually, making it easier to identify and cleaning anomalies, outliers, and errors. Number two, automated data profiling. Data prep automatically profiles the raw data, providing insight into the structure, distribution, and quality. This helps user understands the characteristics of the data, identify potential issues, and make informed decisions about cleaning and transforming the data. Data transformation enrichment. User can easily apply a wide range of transformation to the data, such as remaining columns, filtering rows, and creating calculated columns. Data prep supports both simple and complex transformation, enabling user to clean and enrich the data as needed for analytics. Number four, built-in data quality rules. Data prep include a set of built-in data quality rules that user can apply to identify and handle issues such as missing values, duplicate records, and inconsistent formats. These rules help ensure data quality and reliability for analytic purpose. Number five, recipe-based data cleaning. User can create and use data cleaning recipe in data prep. A recipe is a set of transformation and operation applied to the data. This enables consistency and repeatability in the cleaning process, ensuring that the same cleaning steps can be easily applied to the new data sets. Number six, collaboration and sharing. Data prep allows for collaboration among team members by providing the ability to share and use cleaning recipe. This collaborative approach enhances provide productivity and ensures that the best practice in data preparation are shared across the analytic team. Number seven, integration with Google Cloud platform. Data prep seamlessly integrates with other Google Cloud services such as BigQuery, Cloud Storage, and Cloud Dataprep. This integration simplifies the process of moving cleaned and prepared data to analytic platform for further analysis. Number 8 scalability. Number 9 data license and auditing. Number 10 monitoring and error handling. In summary, Google Cloud Data Prep contributes to the data preparation and cleaning process in analytic workflow by offering a user-friendly interface, automated profiling, powerful transformation capabilities, collaboration features, and seamlessly integration with the Google Cloud service. It helps streamline the often complex and the consuming tasks of preparation raw data for meaningful analytics and insights. So guys, thank you so much again for watching my video.